Hi, my name's Amanda, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the filters on our GoProfiles map. So if you navigate to your GoProfiles dashboard, you'll see on the left-hand side the way to navigate to our map feature. Once you choose the map feature, you'll see it loads map and shows you all of your colleagues spread across that map. If you then navigate to the top of the screen where it says filters, you can click in here and you'll see that there's a variety of filters you can choose from, including departments, role, recent hires, or even groups, which contain common interest among you and your colleagues. Today, I'm going to go ahead and filter by department and choose sales. Then you can hit show results. Now you'll see that my map is showing me only the colleagues I have within the sales department.